Before the time of colonialism, our ancestors had a common practice of using a form of money commonly made of bronze or copper shaped into a semicircle called okboho. This was a practice in many parts of West Africa, and these okboho were produced in large numbers and in various sizes, weights, and designs. The Nsibidi symbol for wealth looks like 4 of these okboho of various sizes stacked together. 4 is the Igbo sacred number of unity and the chi, which we talk about in our video, Igbo numerology for beginners. Igbos say, "Ubase na chi," which means that wealth can only come if your chi endorses it. The Nsibidi symbol for wealth can also be seen as representing 1 okboho for each of the 4 market days of the Igbo week, Izu, as the Christians ask Chukwu to give him each day his daily bread. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos to help you learn Nsibidi symbols.